Okay, so so if you see, okay, is my screen visible?
No, I'm not able to see.
Just a minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, now it's visible.
Okay, so just quickly run through 2021 judgments. See, ideally, what I feel is 1 to 1.5 years judgment is what we must know. Okay, so let us start. Let's see how fast we can go. Okay, so from the 2021 going backwards, that is starting from till June 2021, I've covered. Okay, so the first
Okay.
thing, if you see, I'm not sure ki some judgment might be very relevant, some might not be so relevant. Okay, so based on the no our mutual understanding, no, let us not read the depth of the content here. Okay, so starting from
Just
here,
we'll see. We'll try to quote, filter out one statement which we can
exactly,
incorporate in our
exactly,
answers. No,
exactly.
because
That is the thing. Okay,
no need to read everything. Just the crux,
right,
two or
right.
three lines.
Right. So starting from the left hand side, okay. So if you see this one was in 20 June, okay. Going downwards, we'll reach till Jan, okay. So encroachment of state
Okay.
legislature upon the domain of parliament. So this no, this was a judgment which Supreme Court gave with respect to West Bengal. I'm not sure if it's so relevant, but
Hmm.
again, if this actually falls in the syllabus, if you see, no,
Hmm.
it strike down the West Bengal housing industry regulations. Okay, so encroachment of state legislature upon the domain of parliament.
Upon the,
By saying so,
okay.
it has struck down the West Bengal Housing Industry Regulation Act. Okay, so
Okay.
again, I mean, broadly, if
So,
you see the concept which arose in this judgment was the concept of repugnancy, doctrine of repugnancy. Uh, no, we read in static, so that came up actually in this judgment. Okay, so broadly, it is
okay.
telling that state legislature cannot encroach, no,
Okay.
upon the domain of
So,
parliament.
so we can quote and just using one line that state has using the doctrine of repugnancy.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Just one line, no?
Yeah, one line is enough.
Anything? Any other keyword? One is doctrine of repugnancy. I think.
Under Article 254, they mentioned. Okay, just try to look up Article 254. Okay, I think
Okay.
it might be useful. Article 254. I was just checking.
Okay.
Parallelly, Article 254. It is the same thing. When there is inconsistency between laws made by Parliament and laws made by state
Hmm.
legislature, that is Article 254. So it perfectly
Okay.
suits this condition. Okay.
Yes.
I mean, the broad idea is whichever these judgments or areas they fall now, we have to revise them more so that I mean, this
So,
should be in
so
the
here 254 becomes important.
yes, exactly, exactly. Okay, and even Supreme Court has used this Article 142 also. This was previously a question, extreme complete
हाँ
justice.
50 हाँ नेचुरल जस्टिस के लिए.
Right? So we'll move
ठीक
on.
है.
Okay. So next was the recent Maratha thing. Okay, Supreme Court strikes down the Maratha quota, says no exceptional clause to grant reservation in excess of 50% limit. Okay, so it has struck down the Maratha thing. So this is very important judgment. So I'll just read this quickly. So the Constitution bench of so and so has struck down the Maratha quota in excess of 50% ceiling limit as unconstitutional. Okay, this we all know. Indira Sawhney has set a
दिस
limit.
वन.
Okay, court
हाँ.
unanimously held that there were no exceptional circumstances justifying the grant of reservation to Marathas in excess of 50%. Okay, so there is no such exceptional condition to give them such a reservation. So the court held by 3-2. This was what I was telling in that on that day. The court held that by 3-2 majority that 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act has abrogated the power of states to identify these classes. Okay, socially and educationally backward classes. No, it is saying that this amendment has abrogated the power of states to identify. So this is one observation which the
Okay.
court has made. Okay, and then the majority judgment held that after the introduction of Article 338, no, these articles become important.
हाँ ठीक है.
338B and 342A.
This B stands for backward classes and 342A is, I will have to check. 342.
Just see if you have. Okay, I'll also try to open my
Hmm.
Bear Act. Okay, so 342A. 342A is if you see socially and educationally backward classes is given. Okay,
Okay. All right. So the name of the judgment is, how will we quote this? Dr.
uh,
Jayashree Lakshman Patel versus.
I mean,
Okay.
since it has become such a major judgment, now we can rightly mention the
Huh.
Maratha.
Maratha
Ha,
judgment.
yeah,
So in Maratha judgment, we have to remember the Indra Sahni का वाला context वाला Nagraj और ये 102nd Constitution Amendment.
correct.
And what is the line? The line is the 102nd Constitutional Amendment has abrogated the power of states to identify socially. Okay, now I got it.
Okay,
So
so
their
this
power has been
socially and
abrogated.
educationally backward
Hmm.
classes is 342A. Okay,
Yes,
so
342A.
what is
Right.
given in 342A? Just a moment.
Redefines, no?
Okay, anyway, let's look it up later. 342A. Okay. 338B, I think you already told. Okay, so we'll move on. See, this is the final statement which they gave. The majority judgment held that after the introduction of 338B and 342A, the final say in this regard to inclusion or exclusion. See this statement, okay, given in quotes. The
Hmm.
final say in regard to inclusion or exclusion or modification of list, okay, of SCBCs is firstly with the president. Okay, this also becomes important, president,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
therefore, in case of modification or exclusion from the list, initially published with the parliament. Okay, so it is the parliament which can do
Okay.
this, not the state, and that's why it is striking down the Maratha thing also. Okay.
Okay. ठीक है.
This is the last statement. Okay, the court also held that the alteration of the content of the state legislative power in an oblique or peripheral manner, okay, would not constitute a violation of the concept of federalism or basic. Okay, I think this no.
Means president can while make changes in that.
Exactly. So it
Okay.
doesn't violate the federal system. Okay, so this was an important
Federal
judgment.
structure also.
Then moving on, see, this was the judgment. Citizens have the right to know what transpires in judicial proceedings. So, I mean, generally, no need to go much depth into this. So,
Hmm.
citizens have the right to know, what judicial proceedings are happening. So, this is what Supreme Court,
Okay.
upholding media's freedom to report court hearings. Okay. So if you see
Hmm.
the court is just observe the the one liners which I gave, the concept of open court. Okay, open court concept becomes important. The concept of open court requires that information relating to a court proceeding must be available in public domain. Okay, citizens
Hmm.
have the right to know about what transpires in the judicial proceedings. Okay, so there's, I mean, broadly transparency angle. So nothing much into this. Okay,
Hmm.
and then moving forward, if you see here, Supreme Court constitutes national task force. This is nothing, no, nothing constitutional angle in
This
this.
is
Okay, we can skip this. So, this was important judgment, related to migrant workers, where Supreme Court, clamped on all the states. So, provide dry ration, open communication for migrant workers, standard in NCR. So, when the migrant issue came up, the Supreme Court gave this order. Okay, this is important. Okay, I'll just read this
hmm.
quickly. A bench of Justice Ashok Bhushan, so and so. Um, Okay, to provide dry ration to migrant workers in the Delhi. Okay, while doing so,
Hmm.
the state shall not insist on any identity card. Okay, this is very important because they are into
Okay.
all the rules and all things. While doing so,
Hmm.
state shall not insist on an identity card for those migrant workers who do not possess for the time being, and on self declaration. Okay, this is important. Self declaration
Hmm.
made by standard workers. Okay, this was important, recently because of COVID, all those things. So further, states of UP, Haryana have also been directed to set up community kitchens, as well as okay, same thing. Okay, broadly, I mean this was analyzed also in some editorial. You can read it later. Okay, so that
Yes.
the court reaffirmed right to food in this particular judgment. Further,
This is good.
right to food under Article 21. Okay,
Hmm.
and also the deadline for implementing one ration one. So in this scheme becomes important. One ration one
Article
card.
21.
No, it told that all states should implement this by July 31. Okay, let's move
Hmm.
on. If you see, I don't think this is important, but I'll just read it out. Doctrine of impossibility applicable to court orders. I mean, possibility of implementation should be considered. I don't know what you can
Okay.
make out of this, but broadly, if you see, in many cases now, Supreme Court gives a direction to High Court, but High Court will not be in a
Hmm.
position to implement it. So it is saying that doctrine of impossibility is applicable to court orders as well. Okay, it is not that
Okay.
when Supreme Court gives order, it becomes everything should be implemented in such cases. Okay,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
don't think it's so much important for the exam. Okay, but
This is not important.
okay, and state this is states union territory should provide. Okay, this is the same thing. Okay, why it is duplicated? So these are the judgment of
So,
June 2021. Okay, June
hmm.
2021.
Okay.
So to summarize, one was the major thing, okay, quota thing, and then this one, okay, encroachment of.
This one.
I'm not sure
Uh,
this would fall in some of the aspect of main syllabus, okay, but see if you can
yes, this is.
brainstorm
Uh,
later.
and in that one word is very good. Doctrine of repugnancy.
Exactly, 254.
Article 254 and 142.
Right. Okay. So these two are important in June. So we'll move on to May. Okay. So I think we took roughly 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. Let us speed up. So if you see
Huh.
this one, this is June. Okay. Sorry, May. Constitutional mandate to conduct elections in a time-bound manner cannot be defeated. Okay. I mean this issue, always in news because Tamil Nadu was postponing the local body elections, and Constitution fixes that election should be conducted, even in that time period. Okay.
The entire period.
So this static thing we must revise, that election of local bodies thing from Lakshmikant chapter. Okay, just note on that. And then here
Okay.
I just want to add here that conducting elections in a time bound manner, it cannot be defeated. Okay, so this is the fixed thing. And apart from
Yeah.
that, I think nothing much here. Okay, just finish some of this, and maybe
So
the
this
role
is
of
compulsory to. Okay. So what is the line we can extract from here? One key statement.
I think this is the key statement itself. Constitutional mandate to conduct elections in a time bound manner cannot be
Election.
defeated.
Okay. Constitutional mandate to conduct. ठीक है.
So elections in a
ठीक.
time bound manner is the keyword, if you can remember. Okay.
ठीक है. Okay.
And I feel the role of state election commission is also coming up here. So maybe state election commission can also be revised more, I feel. Okay.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay, so we'll move on. I don't think this is important. CAG can't be the basis for recovery of cess without statutory. I don't think this is important. Okay, so you can skip this.
Yes. Yes. No.
Uh,
Sure.
Supreme Court quashes criminal cases against Italian marines in. Okay, I don't think this also. No.
हाँ. This is GS related.
Right. We'll move on. Stop illegal adoption. I think this has some dimensions, social justice and all. So if you see, stop illegal adoption of children orphaned by COVID. Okay. Public
Okay.
advertisements for adoption unlawful. See what was happening now.
This is. अच्छा, this is quite different. I thought it should be promoted.
No, what
But
was
the
happening
Supreme Court
was
is saying.
they were misusing. Okay, if you see on Twitter and all, they were posting that so and so children orphaned, you can come and adopt. Some illegal way of adoption was happening. Okay, informal way of adoption, you can say.
Okay.
So and if you see the dark side of this was these children were being trafficked or some other thing. Okay, those things were also happening. So observing this, Supreme Court made that illegal adoption of children, you must stop it, and public advertisements for adoption is also unlawful. Okay, here
Okay.
no the aspect of Kara, Juvenile Justice Act, all those we studied on these schemes and all become important. I'll just read the quote things. Okay, quoted
हाँ.
words.
Just go. हाँ.
So, no adoption of affected children should be permitted contrary to the provisions of this act. Okay, so we must revise this act very thoroughly. Okay, invitation to persons for adoption of orphans is contrary to law, as no adoption of a child can be permitted without the involvement of Kara. Exactly, Twitter may know everything was happening without Kara. So, without Kara, this adoption cannot happen in the country. So Kara's role also becomes very important from prelims per se, and even yes maybe. And then stringent action shall be taken by the state governments, union territories, against agencies, individuals who are responsible for indulging in this illegal activity. So if
Okay.
they are doing such adoption without the involvement of Kara, this becomes grave thing, okay, illegal activity. So this
Okay.
entire
So Kara is a statutory body under Ministry of Women and Child Development.
Ministry of Women. Okay, fine.
Okay. Fine.
And Juvenile Justice Act
ठीक है
also,
सर.
make sure you revise from PT. I think it's given in PT also. Okay.
Okay.
And then if you see this statement, state government / union territories are directed to prevent any NGO from collecting funds in the names of the affected children by disclosing their identity and inviting interested persons to adopt them.
Okay. This
So,
is different.
so even
Hmm.
NGOs, cannot do this, collecting funds in the name of this activity. See, ultimately, because it is Kara should be there, okay, to take
Okay.
the.
Kara. So NGO is not the authority. It is a job of Kara.
Exactly.
Kara, which is a statutory authority in the Ministry of Women.
Correct.
Okay.
So if NGO
Fine.
has caught hold of some children and they're showing this photo and you can come and adopt, that also cannot happen, right?
Okay.
So we'll move on. So this segment I feel is important, and especially these two bodies from prelims per se might become important. So next, if you see, ensure no break in education of children who lost parents due to COVID. I think this we generally understand, right? So
Oh.
I think much
This is.
to add to this. Okay, and then moving on. if the High Court has committed wrong, I think this was this become a major issue. I'm not sure, this might be a potential mains also. High Court has committed wrong. Supreme Court takes objection to High Court's order granting parole to UAPA convict when SLP was pending before
Hmm.
Supreme Court. See, normally when certain things are pending before Supreme Court, no, High Court cannot take up that matter. It should not take up actually.
Hmm.
So High Court
Hmm.
was crossing its jurisdiction, if you see. So in that sense, what you have committed is wrong. No, this was told by Supreme
Yes.
Court. Okay. So some possible dimensions which can come up here is the High Court jurisdiction, SLP, SLP Article 136 we
Hmm.
know. So
Ah.
such things I think we must explore on this. Okay.
Means High Court and Supreme Court becomes important.
Exactly. High Court's jurisdiction, I mean, wherever the original jurisdiction, whatever we read now, all those
Hmm.
things.
Hmm.
Just read this court thing, okay? When the SLP is
Ah.
pending before this court, okay? How has the High Court released you on parole? So even the word parole, maybe we must
Hmm. Yes.
understand it in depth properly.
Ah.
We
Bail.
take strong objection to this. You should have come here. Okay, so this is what
Okay.
it has told.
Right.
Okay, so we'll move on. All states must implement one nation. I think this is the same thing. Okay, it was in May. It was developments were taking place, but in June, ultimately, the judgment came out. Okay, I think this no, is gone. Okay, so this is May. Okay, so for May completion also, I think we took some 5 minutes. So we'll move on. Next is April. Okay, see in April, High Court. Okay, you will read this. Okay, you can read.
Okay. High Court under Article 226 should not entertain a dispute uh, it's which is arbitrable unless there is an issue of public interest.
Okay,
So
so
this
I
is
think
writ
some
power.
it is defining some power. Okay, on
Hmm.
226 also is an important article. You see,
Ah.
many questions have been asked on 226.
Ah.
So High Court should not entertain a dispute which is arbitrable. So
Which
if
can be solved by arbitration, I
yes,
think.
yes, right.
Okay.
Unless there is a
Right.
public issue of public interest. Okay.
Okay.
So I think in general it is laying down some. Let me read this fully. Okay, a bench
Hmm.
comprising so and so observed that under Article 226 of the Constitution
Hmm.
has to decline. Constitution has to decline to entertain. So okay, it has to decline. Okay, it has to not entertain to dispute which is arbitrable unless there is a fundamental issue of public interest. The same thing. In this case, the High Court had entertained the writ petition even though there was an arbitration clause. Okay, so this is the issue. So there was arbitration clause already running, but
Okay.
High Court has taken up that. It should not do ideally.
Hmm.
In
Hmm.
appeal, the Apex Court noted that the High Court was concerned over a fundamental issue of public interest, which was the hardship that would be caused by commuters. Okay, some metro issue in Gurgaon, but
Hmm.
broadly,
Hmm.
must remember this thing. Okay, in unless there's a public interest, in a case of arbitration, it should not entertain such writs.
Okay. Means if you have any other remedy, first go for that remedy and then come to the court.
Exactly, right. So I think this thing, 226 ago, I try to revise it more. Next is petition styled as one under Article 226 would not bar High Court to exercise its jurisdiction, which otherwise, okay, you can let me understand this.
This is petition style as one. Really wait, this is
I think too much depth, na. So
massively wait.
yeah.
Too much depth.
So I mean, just the articles again. The same articles are coming up. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
226 and even 227 is coming. So what is 227 here? 227. Okay, 227 is power of superintendence over all courts by High Court. Okay,
Okay. All the
so just try to know 227.
so
That's all.
maybe I think they are trying to link arbitration with this arbitration council.
Arbitration Council.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not sure about that. Okay, let me know
Hmm.
if you come to know something about it later. But these two articles, coming up from the judgment are
Okay.
important. Okay.
226. Yeah.
Okay, next, quality of reasons matter the most. Okay, this I mean, little dowry case is always in news. So just make sure you revise the Dowry Act. Okay, again and again. Okay,
Hmm.
that's it about this. Okay, I mean, it is just telling that the quality of reason is most important, which is general. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
next we'll move on. Right not to be deported. I think this is important. Right not to be deported is ancillary to fundamental right available to Indian citizens. So this is important. Okay, because any judgment which hits fundamental right now, it is very important. Okay, so
It is very important.
So rights not to be deported, okay, is ancillary to a fundamental right available only to Indian citizens. See, what was happening now? This Rohingya issue was happening. Okay, let me read this fully.
Hmm.
While rejecting a plea to stop the deportation of Rohingya refugees detained in Jammu, a bench comprising the Bobde sir and Bopana, okay, observed that right not to be deported is ancillary to a fundamental right to reside or settle in any part of India guaranteed under Article 19. So if you see
Means
Article
this is.
19 is applicable only
Hmm.
to citizens, we know, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So it's trying to say that when there's a fundamental right, applicable to citizens, this right is ancillary to that.
Okay. Means you can deport them to their country.
Exactly, exactly.
Exactly.
So I
Right.
mean, many people know.
Hmm. But you cannot say that I have this right that I can stay anywhere throughout the territory. You will
Huh,
have to go back. In
exactly,
short.
exactly. So
Yes.
Rohingyas,
So that
in
is.
that sense, don't have the right not to be deported.
Hmm. It means here fundamental right is more supreme
Huh,
and ancillary. This is something secondary. You
correct,
will have to go.
correct. So this statement, now,
Fundamental right is supreme.
and this is available to citizens also. 19
Secondary.
is such a thing, and Rohingyas are outsiders, if you see. So this
Yes.
statement is important. Okay, right not to be deported
Huh.
is ancillary to a fundamental right available only to Indian citizens. Okay, so I'll just complete this. It does dismissed an interlocutory application filed seeking the release of detained refugees. Okay, Rohingya refugees, and a direction to Union of India not to deport them. Okay, so application was given. Many people, human rights activists, were telling that don't deport Rohingyas. We have some human moral responsibility of not deporting them. But center's view, we already know that they wanted to deport them. So
Yes.
in that sense, this judgment has been passed. Okay, kind of important I feel because 19 is involved. Okay,
This is very important, especially for mains.
means we can quote all these arguments also, even in
Hmm.
ethics or any other papers. So we'll move
Huh.
on. High Court under again. I think these two articles are coming up again and again. High Court under Article 226 and 227 should be extremely circumspect in same thing. Okay, it,
Same. Okay.
arbitration
Hmm.
issues. Okay, it should not interfere in such things. Okay.
Hmm.
So we move on. Payment. This I told. I think payment of extortion money does not amount to terror
Huh.
funding. Okay. So this is
Yes.
what I
Yes.
was mentioning on that day. UAPA issue. Okay. So
Hmm.
extortion of money. Payment of extortion money does not amount to payment terror
Hmm.
funding. So we cannot directly conclude that if that money gone from the means of extortion will result in terror funding.
Hmm.
Okay. Because many cases
Yes.
UAPA, the cases are rising recently, and center is also using this UAPA powers very widely. So Supreme
Hmm.
Court made this
Hmm.
observation. Okay. Maybe directly applicable to a question which comes directly on UAPA or terror funding systems. Okay.
Yes.
Next one, if you see, compassionate employment cannot be granted after a lapse of reasonable period. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think this is so important. Okay.
Okay.
Compassionate employment cannot be granted after. See what happened now. I'll just tell the context so that you can recollect. See, if you remember, some people, their husband or wife, passes away, and then government
Hmm.
guarantees them of some government job.
Hmm.
Okay, but
Yes.
in this case, this is called compassionate employment. Okay, this term. But what happened is,
Understand.
uh, this in this case, the wife of an employee who was missing since 2002, she requested Central Coalfields, this was a company, for compassionate employment for her son. Okay, she was requesting. Well, he was missing since
Hmm.
2002. Now it's almost 20 years. So
Hmm.
this was rejected on the
Hmm.
ground that employee was already dismissed from service, and therefore the request for
Hmm.
compassion would not be entertained. So there's a time period which is lapsed, if you see in this case.
Very. Huh. Huh.
Okay, I mean
Huh.
nothing much to remember. I feel okay, but you can use this word compassionate
Yes.
employment.
Hmm.
Um, Next is right to professional education should not. I mean, right to professional education, though not fundamental right, is not government largesse. State have affirmative obligation to facilitate access to all levels. Okay, so no, this thing you must remember that right to professional education is
So.
not a fundamental right. First thing, okay,
Huh. Huh. Huh.
this we must know it's not a fundamental right.
Huh.
So
Huh.
states have their definitive respective jobs to provide education. Okay, just try to
Okay.
read
So it is.
read this line.
Hmm. This. Okay. While the right. Font is actually very small.
Can you
While the right,
zoom in, pinch in,
uh,
or zoom in something? Is it possible on your
yes.
end? Huh.
Yes, it's possible. While the right to pursue higher professional education has not been spelled out as a fundamental right, yeah, only elementary education.
Correct.
In Part 3 of the Constitution, it bears emphasis that access to professional education is not a governmental largesse. Instead, the state has an affirmation obligation to facilitate access to education. Okay, means they have to provide education to all levels.
Correct.
Or what they are using, what is the term they are using?
Mr.
Affirmative obligation.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay. So, first point is right to professional education is not a fundamental right. So, this if a statement comes up, we must know it's not. Okay. That's the first thing. And then the state can do such things. Okay. We'll move on. Supreme Court hands over. Okay, this temple. I mean, this temple was in use. So just know this temple, and any river passes by this temple. Na? Just know. Supreme Court hands over this
Mahabharata.
Gokarna Mahabaleshwar temple because Mahabaleshwar we know is the origin of Krishna River. Okay. So I think just know this temple and our surrounding rivers. I think that's important. Apart from that, judgment first is not important. We move on. Supreme Court forms a committee to study the feasibility of. This Great Indian Bustard also becomes important because it has formed a committee to study the feasibility of undergrounding of wires. See what happened? Great Indian Busters are dying because
Yeah.
of all these electrical wires and such things. Okay,
Hmm.
so it has taken so much concern that even the electrical wires pass it underground.
Yeah.
Okay, so and this getting busted is very favorite for UPSC, critically endangered.
Rajasthan, Desert National. Previous year question.
Okay, so this broadly you can revise more on Gibby. Okay, next is high courts are in a crisis situation. Okay, so this is important because I think this is important for mains person. Okay, because if it uses such harsh words and all, no, it becomes very important. So high courts are in a crisis situation. Supreme Court lays down the timeline for appointment of High Court judges. See, as we all know, that biggest vacancies in judges are there in the ground level. I mean, district and High Court. But Supreme Court is making observation about High Court. It's a crisis situation still. Okay? So,
Okay.
just read this. Expressing grave concerns at the mounting vacancies of High Court judges, a bench comprising Bobde, etc., emphasized that central government should proceed to make appointments. So here, just focus on High Court judges appointment. This becomes more important to make appointments immediately after the Supreme Court collegium has cleared the names. Okay, so see central government. So who appoints High Court judges becomes important. President, right? So president appoints High Court judges, and no such things. We must revise more High Court judges. So if the government has any reservation over the collegium recommendation, it should send back the names within the specific reasons for the reservation. Once the Supreme Court collegium reiterates the name, the center should make the appointments within 3 to 4 weeks of such iteration. Okay, so this line of thought is also important that if collegium reiterates the name, okay, center should make the appointment. So
Right.
I think this dimension also may be important for even mains or even prelims also. Okay, High Court judges appointment, this issue. Okay.
Yes.
This is very important. Okay, ad hoc judges not an alternative to regular employment. Okay, so what was happening is in the name of filling the vacancies, they were appointing ad hoc judges. So Supreme Court said it is not an alternative to regular employment. So again, it's linked to the larger issue of High Court judges vacancy only. Okay, and this
Yes, the
article,
Hari is important.
Supreme Court passes guideline. This I think I explained. Supreme Court passed the guidelines to appoint ad hoc judges. So Article 224A. Try to look up Article 224A. Okay, so Article 224A was with respect to uh, ad hoc judges only.
Acting or
This we read in
right,
PT
right.
also, if you remember. Okay,
First page itself.
correct. So, and then
Keep
it
that.
laid down the guidelines. For example, see, it laid down the five trigger points which can activate the process under 225A. So these are those trigger points which I told on that day. The vacancies are more than 20%. If this is more than 20% vacancy, then you can obviously use ad hoc judges. Okay, otherwise don't use. A case in a particular category are pending over 5 years. Yeah, it is pending for a long time. More than 10% of the backlog of pending cases are over 5 years old. Okay, this is also there, and the percentage of the rate of disposal is lower than the institutions of. Okay, I mean disposal is happening at a lower pace, right? And then even if there is even if there are not many old cases pending, but depending on the jurisdiction, if in future situation you foresee that cases might rise. Okay, so in that case also you can appoint a ad hoc judge. So I feel broadly 224 becomes important, 224A, and those things which we read in PT.
Yes.
Just try to revise that more, ad hoc judge's perspective. Okay, and then Indian parties can. I mean, we are already coming to five. Okay, we'll just finish. What is it? May month, and we'll wrap up today. Okay, maybe we'll
Hmm.
plan such short sessions again and again.
Because,
Okay,
sure.
it's better. So Indian parties can choose a foreign seat for arbitration. Okay, so this is what again arbitration is into news because of the act and all passed.
A lot.
So Indian parties can choose a foreign seat. This is very important. Okay, if a statement comes up that arbitration should happen in India, it's wrong. Only in India, something like okay.
Uh,
So this
this
again,
is tricky because
yeah,
we will think, okay, why outside India? Okay.
exactly. So these one-liners can help there. Okay, can choose a foreign seat for arbitration. So we'll move on. This again, no, is important. Mandamus word is coming up. See, mandamus cannot be issued.
Hmm.
Mandamus, observe closely. Mandamus cannot be issued for setting up a adjudicatory body or tribunal. Okay, so to set up a adjudicatory body or tribunal, mandamus cannot be issued. So let's read this. A bench comprising of so and so issued a mandamus. So mandamus first, in first place becomes important. Okay, observe that mandamus cannot be issued by the court for setting up adjudicatory body or tribunal. It's the same thing. It does dismiss the petition seeking a direction to set up an independent tribunal comprising of retired high court judges who can look into the claims of okay chodo come here look at this entry 11 of concurrent list. Okay, entry 11A, you know what is it? Entry 11, okay, it's given here I think. Entry 11A of the concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the constitution deals with this thing: constitution and organization of all courts except the supreme court and high court. Okay,
Okay.
so this
11A. Entry
11A.
11A.
Okay, just look up 11A again. Okay, except Supreme Court and High Court, having due regard to the provisions of. Okay, see these articles again. Okay, 245 and 246.
245 to 46.
What is
Right.
this? 245. Let me see. Okay. Um, See, 245 is extent of laws made by Parliament and by the state legislature. Okay, 245 and 246
And 246.
subject matter of laws made by Parliament. Okay, so first is extent of laws,
Okay.
and this is the subject matter
And the
of
second
laws.
is subject matter. Okay.
So it is telling that having due regard to the provisions of these two of the constitution, no such mandamus can be issued by this court. Okay, so basically these two articles
So you
actually,
cannot,
hmm,
okay.
nor
They
can,
cannot say that, okay, you have to set up this because
right,
mandamus says I command, but you cannot ask them to set up something, a body. Okay.
exactly, and purposefully because it is already defined here on this that parliament
Hmm.
and state legislature jurisdiction is also fixed and also the
Yes.
law. Okay, nor
Right.
can a direction be issued by this court. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so it's the same thing.
Same
Mandamus.
thing.
This articles become important. Okay, I'll look up next. Liberty. This you see, liberty is important, but courts must consider potential threat to witness. Okay, okay. This is a broad thing. Okay, ignore it. Um, I think. Okay, Section 3(2) of the SC/ST Act will attract. Okay, this no try to revise the SC/ST Act from whatever vision month. Okay, Section
Hmm.
3(2) of the SC/ST Act will attract as long as the caste identity is one of the ground for occurrence of offense. See, we know that no all these violence, all these things occurring because of the caste. Okay,
Hmm.
Dalits are attacked because of
Huh.
the lower position. So this will attract as long as caste identity is one of the ground. Okay, this section something. Okay, we need to see
Huh.
that section. Okay. Apart from that, how much is the last two? So most precarious. Okay, if you see this, most precious. Okay, most precious
Huh.
fundamental right to
Little
life. Okay, you read this.
unconditional. Okay. Most precious fundamental right to life unconditionally embraces even an under trial. Okay. Even an under trial has
The
this
right to
right,
life.
fundamental right to life. Okay. Child.
Okay. So if you see this, the same thing they mentioned, the most precious fundamental right to life. I mean, broadly, we must know that right to life is applicable for everyone, even an under trial. Okay.
Huh. Because he is not convicted yet.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. Kind of tricky thing, but generally we can know this. Okay.
Hmm.
So what
Okay.
happened was this Kapan, the same thing. Okay, he was shifted to jail and all those things. Okay. Next, don't clamp down on citizens. This is very important. Okay. I mean, in the COVID time, many people were doing
Hmm.
this SOS calls on Twitter. I need a hospital. I need oxygen.
Huh. 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 Huh.
So don't clamp down on citizens' SOS calls. Okay, for medical help through social media. SC warns of contempt action against states and police. Okay, so this line you remember: if citizens communicate their grievances on social media or internet, then it cannot be
Hmm.
said it's wrong information, right? Because there will be some genuine reason because they're appealing for help. Okay, so
No.
you cannot clamp down on it.
No.
In broader observation, nothing specific, no article involved. Okay, so I think this is we'll end here. This was till May. Okay, just remember we have completed till May 21. I try
Right.
to look up all these things,
Okay.
articles, whatever.
Right.
If you find any other dimension related to this, now just post on chat. We can just revise and consolidate the static part. Okay, but I feel personally that
All right.
whatever
Sure.
static things which are emanating from the judgments now are very important.
We can also consolidate.
Uh, there
Or
would
we
be
can add a note. This was
exactly.
very good.
Okay, we must prioritize such information. But I feel many
Right.
questions, if you see last year, right to marry, something was asked because those are all judgments which are passed by Supreme Court in one or the other.
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
okay, we'll end it
ठीक
here.
है.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Bye.